Have you ever wondered how Siri or Alexa can understand and respond to your commands? Well, the secret lies in a fascinating technology known as artificial intelligence, or AI for short. AI is all around us, quietly powering many aspects of our lives. It's what enables machines to mimic human intelligence, to think, learn, and even make decisions. When you ask Siri about the weather or tell Alexa to play your favorite song, you're interacting with AI. These voice assistants understand your commands, process them, and respond appropriately, all thanks to AI. And it doesn't stop there. AI is also behind the recommendations you get on Netflix, the personalized ads you see online, and the self-driving cars that are reshaping transportation. So in essence, AI is the brain behind your favorite voice assistants, and much more. It's shaping our world in ways we can't even imagine, and that's just the tip of the iceberg. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into the world of artificial intelligence. But how do these machines learn? How can they understand and respond to human language? Machine learning is the answer to these questions. It's a subset of artificial intelligence, and just as the name suggests, it's all about machines learning from experience. Imagine a toddler, wide-eyed and curious. Every experience is a lesson for them. They touch a hot surface, they feel pain, and they learn not to touch it again. This is learning from experience, and it's a fundamental aspect of how humans and many animals learn. Now let's consider machines. Just as the child learns from their experiences, machines learn from data. They don't touch hot surfaces or taste sweet candy, of course, but they process vast amounts of data and learn patterns from it. This is the essence of machine learning. To understand this better, think of a child learning to identify animals. If you show them a picture of a cat and tell them it's a cat, they might not understand immediately. But if you show them pictures of many cats, they start recognizing the common features, the pointy ears, the whiskers, the tail, and they learn what a cat looks like. In a similar way, if you feed a machine learning algorithm thousands of images of cats, it begins to understand the common features in those images. It might recognize that cats often have pointy ears, whiskers, and tails. Then, when it sees a new image, it can identify whether it's a cat or not, based on what it has learned. The key difference between a child and a machine learning algorithm is the amount of data they need to learn. While a child might learn to recognize a cat, after seeing a few dozen images, a machine learning algorithm might need thousands or even millions of images to learn the same task. Just like a child learns to identify a cat by seeing many cats, machines learn from tons of data fed into them. Now that you understand how AI works, you might be wondering, so what? Why does this matter to me? Well, let's dive into that. The impact of AI on our everyday lives is both subtle and profound. You know when Netflix magically suggests a show you end up binge watching? That's AI. Or when your GPS effortlessly navigates you through city traffic. Yep, AI again, but it's not just making our lives more convenient. AI is revolutionizing entire industries. In healthcare, it's predicting diseases before they occur. In transportation, it's powering self-driving cars. In entertainment, it's creating virtual reality experiences that are indistinguishable from the real thing. AI is like a backstage crew member of a theater production. You might not see it, but it's there, working tirelessly to make everything run smoothly. And the best part? It's learning and improving all the time. Whether you realize it or not, AI is making your life easier and more convenient every day. As we continue to feed machines more data and refine their learning, what can we expect from the future of AI? Well, the potential is staggering. AI is forecasted to revolutionize various aspects of our lives. Imagine a world where your car drives you to work while you catch up on sleep, or your home adjusts the temperature and lighting based on your preferences and the time of day. And it's not just about convenience. AI is primed to make breakthroughs in healthcare with the capacity to analyze vast amounts of data for advanced diagnostics, potentially catching health issues before they become serious. Let's not forget about the workforce. AI could automate repetitive tasks, freeing up time for humans to focus on tasks requiring creativity and critical thinking. The future of AI is a mixture of exciting possibilities and unknown territories. From voice assistants to future self-driving cars, AI is not just a buzzword, it's a rapidly growing field that is changing the world as we know it.